Welcome to the Burn Club on Discord. When you log in to your account, you will be prompted to answer a few questions and take some steps. They will be located at the bottom here. In order to find your way around, you can head to the welcome channel, and this is where all the channels will be listed. You can click on these and go to any and explore the space. On the left hand side, this is where all the servers you are subscribed to are. You have the very top, you have direct messages, and then the Burn Club specifically, if you ever get lost, is this little wood slice right here. Click on that and you'll get back into the club, into the last page that you opened. Before all this admin stuff, we have the events section. Here you can check when the next Open Studio session will be. It will be in your time zone. Then you have the terms and conditions, which is just that announcements. This is a specific thread in the announcement, which is a discussion on what we shall burn or what we shall do in the next Open Studio, because we choose the topic together. And then in the ideas and feedback channel, that is just that. This is different ideas and feedback that you all have. And then we get into the main space. These are all the channels. There are text channels and forum channels. The text channels are basically a big chat room, and here we just have general conversations and share ideas and whatnot. Maker Spotlight is a highlight of each individual person. It's a forum style, so everybody gets their own post, and this is where you can share all your information about yourself and your details and your socials and your websites, so we can find you off platform. Burn challenges are the challenges that we have monthly. This is where you submit your piece and you can see other people's pieces for that challenge. Burning questions is a forum style channel where you can ask any and all questions. If you're looking for an answer to something specific that's already been asked, you can choose by a tag here, or you can use the search bar at the top here. Would you look at this is a channel for all our finished work, and you can have some good conversations about each piece and ask questions to the artist. The not finished is a work in progress where we can stay accountable to finish the pieces, and you're welcome to add as you actually finish the piece. The templates channel is just that. Tried and true are all the resources and recommendations. Art Soup, we've got all conversations that go beyond pyrography, and Pyrography Pals is just a fun channel where we share our furry friends. And that, in a nutshell, is Burn Club. I hope to see you there.